let's talk about decorating a small space for Christmas. Hey there, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. A few months ago, we finished renovating this little lake house. We've been renting it out and have had so much fun, and I've learned so much doing it. I wanted to decorate it for Christmas, and I wanted to take you along with me as I decorate this space, and along the way share with you some tips on how to decorate a smaller space for Christmas. Through a few really easy techniques, you can make your smaller space look beautiful for the holidays. Let's get started.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought?
The first tip I have for you when decorating a smaller space for the holidays is to start with a consistent color scheme. If you use the same color scheme from room to room for Christmas, that's going to keep your space looking nice and cohesive. So for our little lake house, I chose to match the decor that we already have in here and keep a color scheme of blue. So I'm combining navy and a lighter blue and gold and white. You can keep this color scheme consistent from the ornaments on your tree, to a garland on your table, to your wreaths, and even to your wrapping paper for your presents.
My trusty friend and just a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear. For old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Tip number 2 is to try using a smaller format of Christmas tree. So for the space here in our living room at the little lake house, I'm using this pencil tree. I found this at Michael's. It was 50% off, so it was such a great deal. And I love that it has such a small footprint, so I was able to tuck it on the left side of the fireplace. Using a nice skinny pencil tree like that still gives you that beautiful Christmas tree look, but it's not going to take up so much space. It also helps you stay on a budget because you don't have to use a ton of ornaments to make this tree look absolutely gorgeous. So for this tree, I'm sticking with my color scheme we mentioned, so that blue, gold, and white. Plus I'm adding some woodland, sort of lake looking elements like these loon ornaments I found at Canadian Tire, and this birch bark look ribbon that I found actually on clearance at Michael's. Another tip for decorating your smaller space for Christmas is to really think about using wall space. You're probably not going to have a lot of surface space to decorate, so command hooks are your very best friend. That's those sticky hooks that you can put on the walls, you can put them on windows, you can put them even on your range hood. Use those to decorate with, and you can hang up wreaths on them. You can even hang up a wall calendar that works as your advent calendar. Think about all the wall space in your home that you could transform to something a little more festive by hanging a wreath or some other Christmassy wall decor. Another idea is you can use smaller scale elements. So rather than using really large wreaths, you can either DIY or buy smaller scale wreaths to put on your windows or doors. I made a wreath using Christmas picks I found at Michael's a few years ago and some floral wire, wrapped it all together and put it on top of the range hood. And I also found these smaller scale wreaths at IKEA. I personalized them by adding some frosted faux foliage as well as some pine cones and hung those up throughout the home as well. The next tip is to use a lot of lights, Christmas lights, twinkle lights, fairy lights in your Christmas decor. This is fantastic if you have a smaller space because you want to add as much light as possible to make it feel more open and more airy. So I love the idea of wrapping twinkle lights around furniture. I did that with a faux garland around the egg chair here in our living room, and I also wrapped some lights throughout this garland that I have in the middle of the table.
Have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given.
The next tip for decorating your small space for Christmas is to try decorating some utility areas. So for example, we have this little entry nook in our lake house. So I'm just using a simple wreath and some skates that we actually use anyhow and putting them up in the entry. You can also swap out simple things for Christmas. So rather than having a summery pillow, you can swap that out for something a little more wintry. Another tip is to keep your overall decorating really simple and subtle. You don't have to completely fill every single surface in your home or every single bare wall with Christmas decor. So for this little lake house, I'm just putting up a few different wreaths. I'm doing a tablescape, putting up that slim tree, and adding a couple of festive accents through textiles, and that's it. I feel like that's enough to give this home just a little bit of that Christmassy, wintry vibe without taking up the valuable space that we need for working in the kitchen or relaxing on the couch. The space still is really functional, but it still has that special festive feel.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoyed this decorate with me and these tips for small space Christmas decor. Let me know down in those comments below what you think of the lake house decorations for Christmas. I absolutely love all the flocked greenery and just the natural elements like the pine cones. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you will love and watch next right up here.